Hi, my name's Neil from Energy Entertainments. I'm going to teach you the matrix on the Dragon Staff. The main point is when you're coming up over this arm, you swing your body over to a 90 degrees this way, you swing your body over to a 90 degrees forward, you swing your body over to a 90 degrees to the right hand side and then come back. I can't emphasize this enough that if you go right over to your right, over to your front, over to your right, or left, sorry, and then you're back. What you can do as well, you can break the trick down. So you could be here and just come around that way and come around that way. So up, around and through. Thanks for watching, everyone. It's a tough trick, but probably my favorite trick out of them all. If you'd like to see more Dragon Staff videos or any flow art activity, please subscribe, like the button, make a comment. We'd love to get involved with your questions.